Hi, this is Michael Orrell from mobileburn.com, and today we have a special new headset. It may not look like too much. This is the Plantronics Voyager PRO UC version 2. It may look like the old Voyager Pro, but this one does a lot of really interesting things that I'm going to show you. And it's being released today, Wednesday. This is happens to be Plantronics' 50th anniversary, so this is a little special launch that they're doing with this device. I'm going to show you some really cool features, like the fact that it has touch sensors on it, knows when you put it on or take it off, and things like that. Also, it works with the USB dongle in a PC. It's fully Skype aware. Works with Cisco systems as well. Even changes your IM status in Skype if you're on a mobile phone call. And of course, it supports calls over a mobile phone as well. So let's take a close look at the headset. You can see the volume controls up top, power button in back, and that's actually a little LED indicator there. It'll go red when you're charging and flash red and blue when you're in pairing mode. Right here is a single button. Multiple microphones in here for noise cancellation. No height adjustment, but you can use the headset on both left and right ears quite easily just by flipping it around. Reasonably comfortable. A number of different ear gels included. You can see a bunch of them in the pack here. Some foam, some rubber, different sizes. I have the smallest one on there right now. And then of course there's also the USB dongle here. It's quite small, and bright blue LED shines when it's in use. On the bottom you'll find the micro USB charging port, and this entire thing here is actually where the battery is, and that's good for 6 hours of talk time. And the entire thing comes with a nice, I think it's faux leather, might be real leather though, it's hard to tell. It actually feels pretty nice. So nice carrying case with a belt clip on it, if you're really hardcore I suppose. USB dongle goes in there, and then the headset flips in, just like so. And the auto answer feature means if your phone's ringing and you just pick it up off your desk, it'll automatically answer the call in the same way that it transfers back and forth between the phone and the headset just by taking the headset on and off. So here you can see the USB dongle plugged into my PC right next to the headset. There's a little scale right there. Now, one of the really cool features with this device is how it works with Skype and other soft phones by Cisco and a number of other companies. Mostly targeted towards enterprise users, but of course Skype is a big consumer application. And what I'm going to show you here is look at the status message right here, and I've got this headset attached to my Nexus 1 right now, and I'm going to place this call, and immediately my status message on Skype is going to change to say in a call, because the phone's talking to the headset. Even though I'm not wearing the headset, the audio is coming through the speaker on the phone. It's still talking to the headset, and the headset's talking to the computer telling me what's going on. So here's my call going through without the headset, but it still updates the status. And when I hang up here, the status message on Skype goes away. Now, another cool Skype related feature is called Escalate to Call. Now, I'm in an IM session with Todd Hazelton here. This is a test. I'm just saying an IM. And what's going to happen is I'm going to put the headset on, and it's automatically going to place a call since it knows I'm in an IM session. You can see it placing the call right now, and it's ringing through the headset. It's automatically calling Todd just because I was in an IM session and put the headset on. Now you can disable that feature, and it's actually disabled by default, but it's pretty cool. Now, one of the other features I mentioned with the headset is that it knows when it's being put on and taken off. So what I've got here is I've got a call going right here, just a talk radio on the other end with one of our test phones, so you can hear it. Now you notice the guy's talking here, and put the headset in my hand. As soon as I put the headset on, I'm not pushing any buttons, it's automatically transferred into my ear. Now I'm hearing the guy talking right now. Let's see if I can show you when I take it off. You can hear the audio is already transferred.
You don't have your job interview.
I'll do that again. Automatically transferred. And the way that works is there are capacitive sensors in here in the earpiece and back here on the spine. So it knows when it's actually in contact, and it reduces false positives that way. On top of that, it knows when it's not being worn. So say you accidentally, while it's in your pocket, press this call button twice, which would normally do redial last number. Well, the headset knows it's not being worn, so it's not going to place the call. Another cool PC-related feature is called Voice Alert.
What it does is it works with a plugin in Microsoft Outlook that works with the headset, and you define a list of people, VIP users if you will. Maybe it's your spouse, it's your boss, it's your mother, whomever. And whenever somebody on that list sends you a message in Outlook, the headset will whisper their name to you and then read the subject of the message. So that's why I look at the Plantronics Voyager PRO UC version 2. It's on sale now for $199.99. Pretty steep price, but it's targeted towards enterprise users. That's the MSRP, by the way. You'll probably find it a little bit cheaper online and in other retail outlets. But it's got 6 hours of talk time, pretty comfortable, and in spite of all the advanced features that'll work with enterprise VoIP systems and stuff, it also works with Skype, which is pretty good for consumers as well, even though it is expensive. So again, that's the Plantronics Voyager PRO UC version 2. I'm Michael Orrell for MobileBurn.com.